This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cheryl Hartley. Discover refined living in Wimberley, a community located just south of Jonesville.This home combines elegant design with everyday comfort, offering a spacious split floor plan. Step inside to find a stunning kitchen with a generous island, ideal for casual dining, entertaining or gathering with friends and family. Office area features beautiful built-in bookshelves and cabinetry. The open concept area has an impressive 11-step ceiling, enhancing the sense of space. 10 ceilings in living, dining, office and kitchen areas. Walk-in pantry. Spa-inspired primary bath with dual sinks, large walk-in shower. Drop-and-go area with bench and storage cubes. Energy-efficient insulated windows and tankless water heater. Large covered lanai with gas connection. Courtyard driveway west/pavers, side entry garage. For more information, review the details below.